Hi everyone, in front of me I've got VIVO Y72 5G and let me share with you how to enable developer options on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom in order to find about phone. Now let's scroll down in order to find software information, because here we have to take a look on the build number, and all you have to do right now is to simply keep tapping on it until you'll see that you're in the developer mode. So right now we can go back and enter the system, and as you can see at the very bottom of the list we've got developer options, so let's enter. And as you can see here, we've got plenty of advanced settings which we can customize. So for example, we can don't keep activities, and we can show view updates, we can change the animator duration scale, we can change some options which are connected to Bluetooth, and so on and so on. So if you'd like to turn on the option, all you have to do is to simply tap on the switcher on it, and as you can see, it will be immediately activated and applied. Of course, you can turn it off the same way. If you can see the options without the switcher, for example, like here in the window animation scale, just tap on it in order to open much more advanced settings. So if you're done with customization of the developer options, if you'd like to turn them off, just tap on the switcher at the very top, and as you can see, most of the options are inactive, and after getting back they will disappear from the system settings. Of course, no worries, you can customize them again, just go back to the build number step and keep tapping. So actually this is it. This is how to enable developer options in your VIVO Y72 5G. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.